Cristiano Banti was born on January 4, 1824, died December 4, 1904. He was an Italian genre and landscape painter. He was a leading figure in the Macchiaioli movement of Tuscany. A scholarship enabled him to study at the Accademia di Belle Arti di Siena with Francesco Nenci. At this time, he worked in the neoclassical style and produced what is perhaps his best-known work, Galileo Facing the Inquisition. He became determined to produce paintings that would capture the natural effect of sunlight, going on many long outdoor excursions with his associates, especially Telemaco Signorini, who had a great influence on him. He accepted an appointment as professor at the Academy of Fine Arts and served on the commission charged with reorganizing the Uffizi. In 1887, he was back in London, studying the old masters at the National Gallery and making the acquaintance of James McNeill Whistler.